Hey guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word больше, meaning more. There's a movie clip I have always used that seems to make soft L's much easier for students. Google all of me back in bowl and channel Steve Martin imitating the mystic dude who wants to return the spirit of a deceased friend to a special bowl. Repeat after me. Beckenbowl, Beckenbowl. You've just said a perfect soft L and the first half of our word. Make sure to protrude your lips so you get a nice full O sound. Beckenbowl, bowl, Beckenbowl, bowl. Now for the second syllable. Move your jaw way forward this time and make an SH sound with your tongue really far down and back. Not sh with a high tongue, but sh. Now tack on a schwa vowel and we're done. Draw done lips. Sh. Sh. Now the whole thing. Draw done lips. Beckenbowl, bolь-ше. Beckenbowl, bolь-ше. Больше, 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 больше. That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!